In the blink of an eye, the metaverse has become the next big thing. Giants such as Facebook, Nike, Boeing, Disney, Apple, and Nvidia are already investing heavily. The buzz around cryptocurrency and metaverse is so intense that 2024 is being hailed as the year of the metaverse. The opportunity to become a metaverse millionaire is real, but it requires knowledge and timing. One must understand the intricacies of launchpads, crypto coins, and how you can profit from metaverse games and crypto coins. It's crucial to get in early, but equally essential to avoid falling for shady deals. Websites like cmgcrypto.com can help you educate yourself and become educated on which metaverse cryptos make the most sense. Publications like Metaverse Empire by Alessandro Zamboni could be your guide in this uncharted territory, and we cannot recommend this highly enough. And if you're curious about the potential of Bitcoin and AI-powered crypto projects, you're not alone. Just remember, while the prospects are exciting, it's important to take the time to educate yourself before making any decisions. After all, the world of cryptocurrency and metaverse is not just a game, it's the future of digital economy. For more insights, be sure to check out the links in the description and learn more about how millionaires will be made in the metaverse. So stay informed, stay ahead, and who knows, you might just become the next metaverse millionaire. If you enjoyed this content, we would appreciate it if you would smash the like button, and please consider subscribing to this channel.